hair, and now I'm about to do box braids. I haven't done box braids since like 2015, so I'm quite excited for it. And the lady doing my hair also did the Brazilian wool on my hair, and I'll link to that video above. She actually did the last box braids I did. So we're using darling hair. This is color purple. This is color black. It's color 1. They actually sent me this branded hair for Christmas, so I'm finally launching it today. So this is what the hair looks like when it's all mixed. So we used 1 pack of purple, 82 inches, 2 packs of black, 82 inches, and 1 pack of black, 100 inches. And she's just pulling at the hair. They also call it drawing or picking, to stretch out the extension so that the ends of it are thinner and it's not all the same thickness. If it's all the same thickness, then you would have to like burn the tips or tie a rubber band at the end. Most braiders would pick at it, and she could have done this at home before coming to save time, but because I had the extensions at home, she did it here. Now they're just like blending it together so that there's a seamless mix of the 2 colors. This was my first time using color purple on my hair, and now she's just brushing it out so that it doesn't get tangled up. Actually only used to use like black and brown for the longest time, but then last year I did like honey blonde, and I also did honey blonde again this year, and it came out so cute. So if you want me to edit those videos and put them up, let me know. Honey blonde knotless braids and honey blonde loose braids. She's brushing it out. Look at how the mix is so sweet. Like, it doesn't look overly purple. This was after about 30 minutes. You can see she had done quite a bit at the back. She trimmed a lot of my hair, to be honest. I actually recorded that process, so if you want to see it, let me know. Now, the main lady is doing the braids, and then her daughter is finishing it up. And I really love using her for like thick braids and box braids because her hand is very neat. Like, she holds the hair very well and it doesn't get rough easily. Like, look how neat it is. Amen. Amen. I actually ended up keeping the hair for 30 days. Nepa! Yay! If you're in Lagos and you need a braider, feel free to send me a DM or email and I'll give you her number. Her name is Auntie Nike and she's actually quite affordable. This costs 12,000 naira for home service, and that's like under $30. And she's quite fast as well. Like, it took 3-4 hours, and she knows how to do natural hair well, so it doesn't get rough easily, and your hair is like hidden neatly inside the extensions. Look how good it looks, and it's just like a nice subtle plummy pop of color. Like, I actually really love this combination. Have you tried purple extensions before, and did you like it? What's like the most exotic color combination you've tried when it comes to braids? See, my skin is glowing. If you want to know what I use on my skin, make sure to click on the card above for my skincare routine. Can you see those black specks on her hand? It's because she uses a bit of gel just to make it all neat. And she's using the cotton comb just to part it. Like I said, her work is extremely neat. Anytime I see a cotton comb, it brings back memories of my childhood doing my hair in primary school.
Do you want it long?
Not too long. That's okay.
Is that okay?
It's not slanted, eh? When you're doing center part, you have to make sure that line is very straight, dividing your head into 2 symmetrical halves. Check out my Fulani braids video to see another center part style. We're almost done with the hair, and it looks so good, and the purple isn't even that obvious. We were watching Big Brother while doing my hair. My husband was even there. Check out my spring twist video. I was also watching Big Brother when I was doing it. just something to pass away time because reading a book can just get a bit tedious at times. Once they start trimming your hair, you know the finish line is fast approaching. I actually feel like doing braids again. I'm thinking Ghana weaving or faux locks. What do you think? Do you like carrying braids? How often do you do protective styles? And how long do you even leave them in for?
I need to stop volume.
So after the braids are done and it's been trimmed, it's dipped in hot water so the ends are pointy. And then my lady dips the towel in hot water and like presses it all over the head. And she says it just helps it relax and become like softer, and so it won't be paining you. Do you guys do this at your hairdressers? I know some hairdressers actually use like fire, like they'll just put fire all over it. Like I've seen videos on social media, but I haven't tried that before, and I don't really have any interest in trying that out. But yeah, look how neat the hair is. Look how the center part is. Like I said, I kept it in for 30 days, and now I'm craving braids again. What I are your thoughts on braid wigs? Do you own one? Would you try it out? I've never tried one, but I'm curious to try them out pretty soon just to see how they look on me and if I'm a fan. Now she's applying mousse on the hair for some extra shine, and honestly, I feel like doing your hair is actually a form of pampering. I feel like hair really frames your face, and a chic hairstyle can boost your confidence. I have videos on TikTok and Instagram showing you different ways I styled this hair. Like, box braids are so versatile. I might actually dye my hair soon. I tried purple hair dye last year and I actually filmed the process, so definitely click on the card above to check that video out. But I have a gold hair dye and a wine hair dye from two different brands. So who knows? You might just see some color on my hair in the next few weeks. I really like how this woman is so thorough when she does the hair. Like, she actually cares about quality control. She does some additional trimming, which is why it lasted so long. Are you more of a braids girl or a wig girl or a weave girl? Let me know, and make sure you hit the subscribe button and check out my other videos. This was my hair after 28 days. The full video is on my IG, so definitely check it out and check out my other videos and hit the subscribe button. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.